Look what came today, though. Got the exhaust for the XR. There you go. New exhaust. Who this? Fresh oil change. Lucas Oil. Who the hell this is?
Think I may be losing my mind. Oh, I already lost it. Already lost it. Damn, I may be losing my mind. Now don't tell me that I lost it. That I lost it.
Finally got the bike running. Finally got it running. Bad news is I'm out of gas. In the middle of who knows where. Well, I know where, but at least I got to ride. I went all the way up to 4th gear. I ain't in 5th gear yet, but full throttle it, but not bad so far. I just gotta, that back tire suck. I got no back brakes and no gas. Clutch. You can see that boat about to fall off. Yeah. Clapping. At least it's running the ride. As you can see, we got one less bite. I had the GoPro ready. I don't know what I was thinking. I didn't get the transaction on video, but it is what it is. Look what came today, though. Got the exhaust for the XR. About to change this oil real quick. Throw the exhaust out. And it's nice as hell outside. We ride. It's only like 4:30, 4:45. Oh yeah. We outside today. We outside today. Let's go, Scudder. Let's fucking go. Got some new gear coming. Oh yeah. It's time. Back to riding. About to get this one sold ASAP. New bike coming ASAP. I think I'm gonna just hold on to this for now. Smurfette. She been good to me, so I'm holding on to her for right now. You know what? Hopefully I got the bolts and everything to hook this exhaust up, so I get to ride. You feel me? Lego. There you go. New exhaust. Who this? Fresh oil change. Lucas Oil. Who the hell this is? One more surprise. I got some new parts coming for this. I ain't even gonna say what it is yet. Just gonna have to see when they get here. But I'm upset at myself because I forgot I needed something, which is boom boom, a foot peg. Might just put the damn, it's all been up. Damn, the whole bracket is kind of bent. I'm just really peeping that. Might just put the OG foot peg on there for now. It's the good side with the plastic on there. It's right side plastic. It's hard to find, but it is what it is. At least we ride now. You feel me? See if we can get a first kick start. Smurfette. The Smurf mobile. Choke down too. Maybe not. First kick. I'll take a second kicker. Take a second kick. Might just been sitting for like 2 weeks. This exhaust is actually a lot quieter than the other one. It must be how it's supposed to sound, huh? Wish it was an alpha or big gun or something.
One eternity later.
Got new plastics for the Smurf mobile. All kind of dirt from riding the trail. Just got this exhaust. I wish I hadn't messed up the other one, but it is what it is. It's supposed to be OEM, but I mean, this is OEM in it. Look like the right shit. I'm about to go out riding, and then I think I'm gonna put it up for sale. I really want a bigger bike. This is fun while it lasts. I saw some tire marks leading toward my car. I'm just making sure ain't nobody sideswipe my joint. Higher USA, they don't look that bad. They alright. Yeah. Got new fork guards too. These. Get them joints on now. Spice up the bike a little bit, get it all cleaned up. Next owner gonna love it. And me. Had me a new 250, 450, whatever I can find. We'll see. Cold start, see if I can get a one kick. She's a runner, she's a track star. Starts on first kick every time. reliable. 93.